Hi, in this Unity tutorial we're just going to go over angles between 3 points. Like right here we have A, C, and B, and if I click on my C, which is the parent, see this thing's keeping track of the angle, and it shows the angle over here. So let me just press play. So when I move around, the angle is going to update on the top there. So this is 90 degrees. And if I pick the B object and I move it around, I could see that I can make the angle smaller or larger. And it gets large up to 180 degrees. And then it slips over into the negative side of the angles. Now that's great when the angle is centered in the center of the world. When C is at 0, 0, 0, what happens if I move C around? The angle still stays the same, even if I move C off of the center of the world. And the angle still stays the same even if I rotate C. And that's what I expect. Now, how do I get the angle? Just look over here at the code. And this is here my function for getting the angle. I get the game object A and the game object B over here from the scene. And then I make a vector from C and A. I get that vector, and then I get the vector from C and B. So I have these two vectors, these two red lines. Now, for the angle, I just calculate vector 3 dot signed angle, CA, comma CB, and on the axis I'm getting it on is the up angle. So, if I were to turn this sideways, see this is Y, and I just want to get the angle on the floor side there. And there you go.